So hello, and as always, welcome back to Learning MG. Today I'm going to tell you three things I hate about the actual Apple Watch Ultra. So first of all, as you can see, if you haven't got a great actual big wrist, you're going to notice it's gigantic, okay? It's 44 millimeters, but I would say it's like aluminum panerai. It's pretty big. So that's the first thing I would recall. If you haven't got a big wrist, then check it before you actually buy it. Secondly would be the battery, 2 days battery if you use it non-stop. I personally think that the competence actually have almost 15 days of battery, so I think that's something they should also look into, as sometimes I do turn it off at night so I can have a few more days of battery. But in general, I think it's something you could actually let's say kind of improve. And the third and uttermost would be, I would reckon, the fact that the Apple Watch sometimes, let's say, to put it in a great way, bugs a little. That means that sometimes you need to restart it. Now you restart it with these two buttons right here, and in general it doesn't do it. But it is true that if you're almost let's say around $800 you're paying for this actual item, I think it shouldn't lag whatsoever, okay? So those are three things I hate about the Apple Watch, but I would still definitely buy it again. It's a pretty much amazing intelligent watch, one of the best in the market. Let me know in the comments what you think.